Hello Geminis, welcome back to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India, Bharat. Namaste. Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS Essentials Running. This reading is going to be right from 4th of October 2021 and so on, okay? And though you can take it as timeless, like as per your timelines. Twin flame soulmate connections, whatever your connections or twin flame or soulmate is, okay? Okay, few words I'm hearing. Okay, just give me a pause. I apologize. The message just slipped, okay, but now it came through. So, Geminis will have no more confusion, and the message is actually no more confusion. You're going to end some confusion, and the conclusion is coming here. So, I also heard like it is about connected with a caress, if that is the right pronunciation, and it goes with you. Caress is like someone who's caressing you, like pampering you, loving you in a right way. So there is certain confusion, there is something that is no longer will be in the state of confusion. You're going to accept something, you're going to give that yes or no, and most probably it is something connected with the positive outcome. The reason is that you're allowing something in your life. You're allowing love in your life, or you have the person already and you're going to kind of energy when you surrender. Maybe it is commitment. You're about to commit to someone, okay? This may be the energy of King of Wands energy, possible, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, possible around you. Yes, it is connected with Nine of Cups, as if like you're allowing someone in your life. And it is also like no confusion, because you also have again King of Cups energy here. Maybe Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Maybe this is about choosing. Yes, of course. Now choosing is not coming like random in a way. It is something connected with your past, present, and situations that those are unfolding in your life. In this whole time frame, it is about the connectivity. It is about removing that confusion, and it is about clarifying the other person as well, if it is going from your side, okay? If someone was keeping you in that, it is like ultimately out and about, whatever it is. So there is no longer confusion. Someone gonna clear you out something. You are going to clear out someone that yes, this is this, this is this. Here you go. So moral of the story is coming for you now, okay? Moral of the story, the lovers, the finalizations, the unions, the reunions, and harmony that is going to enter. Gemini, this is about your reading. So this may be connected with your confusion, or you are going to commit to someone and you are deciding finally, what is that I want, what is that I should do, and what is right for me. Most important is what is right for you for the long, long time, okay? You shouldn't cry. Look, when I'm looking at the Lovers card, I can see the other male vibe. It's not in this, okay, but I can see that other male vibe here. Now for some of you possible, there is this male energy regardless of female or male you're dealing, okay, whatever fits you. But there is this another third energy here, okay, and people are actually not going to decide recklessly, okay? You're not going to decide recklessly. You're going to sit down, calm your energy down, discuss the stuff, clarify the person, or clarify yourself. But when there is person involved, of course you're going to clarify. So it's like something that warms your heart. It warms your heart, which is more important, okay? Then again, you are in this energy form of like, I cannot do this to the person, I have to clarify it. And same goes if someone else is doing it. You are supposed to get that, you know, moral of the story. You're supposed to get that definition, that explanation, and I feel like it is coming in this picture, okay? Many of you are visioning something with the person, whoever this is. Visioning future, planning, preparation. So your overall energy is King of Swords. King of Swords, which is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I feel in one go, this may be, again, sign, but this is your vibe of taking stand for whatever is right. I'm going to take stand, I'm going to have the shield, and I'm going to work on this. I'm not going to go here and there. I'm going to decide and stay intact with my decision. That is like no more confusion. This may again connect with certain kind of opportunity entering in your life, like Ace of Coins, looking forward to have or to build something up here, something that is already in process as well. Apart from that, this is also something that is valid. I feel like something is going to be very much valid in your life. That goes with no more confusion. Whatever the cards are going to come, I'm going to just say and out and about, okay? The Geminis. Something valid definitely is coming in the picture for you. You know, some decisions when we take, or we don't go in those arguments and everything, and we're just not reckless at all, and we're going to talk about it. That is what is making sense. It's going to, little bit hard decisions do hurt us, but then they are going to be very much good for our future, okay? I think like this is what is important for you, Seven of Cups energy, and this is about not being ignorant of the fact that something is present in your life or is being given to you, presented to you. No more confusion, like finally deciding on one thing and not getting lured with other stuff, because there is a lot, okay? But we cannot go to every now and then to this, may it be person or work related thing. You have to decide, okay? And that you're going to decide here is going to be the finalization, especially with Seven of Cups. Like you found like something that you found, okay? And you know that you're going to be happy with that. May it be your idea, work, even person. There's a love matter, heavy love matter here, definitely. Look, you have Ace of Cups. So you have figured out like I have to kill something here, the ego or attitude or confusion or lure situations. I cannot row two boats kind of energy, no more confusion. But this is like your desires and dreams and whatever stuff or something that you've already collected. But that is also giving me the vibe of like, okay, where am I heading? And I feel like you are heading towards something that is going to be more precious, and it's like a more treasured situation. Like I don't want to lose out on this. There is a very, very important connection here. I don't want to lose out on this. Like I need not to follow the crowd kind of energy. I need to do what is right for me. So you're going to do that. Ace of Cups is also, again, love matter connected. There's going to be something that is going to be so prominent, so clear, so you, and you know, okay? So in your future, something that you're going to treasure for a very long time is coming in the picture, okay? Love, idea, work, anything. And it is giving me the presentation of both work and love for you. Finally, I have to do it. I have to take stand for that. You're talking with someone. I can see that, okay? It's giving me the vibe of like you're talking to someone actually, and it doesn't bother you, it doesn't matter to you. It is something that I have to do it, and I'm going to do it. Nine of Cups. You're reaching to them, you're talking to them, you're about to meet them even, okay? Which is so important here. Like this is what I desired, and I desired the most, and I'm going to fulfill it. Wish coming true, desire coming true. I heard commitment, surrender. This is Eight of Coins energy, okay? It is the energy of, you can see the shadows. You know that I am not going to follow the crowd. I'm going to have my own way. It is about organization. It is about not getting distracted, rather focusing yourself on something that you're trying to polish. So may it be work or your love area. I have chosen, and I'm going to work on that. Many of you are deciding on your career matters like goal, mission, whatever you want to achieve here, and that is what you are going to fix yourself on. Maybe some of you are dealing with crystals, crystal balls. You might have business in that. Maybe it is about pendants, small pendants that you're designing in crystal form. Okay, something is here. And you're doing it with all love here, of course. No one can do the work. Like, if they're not loving it, it is definitely pressure. It's going to cause stress. And there are people who are doing it because they have to have living. I know, I understand. But then they again have something else that they really want to do. Some people are lucky enough to do what they really want to do, and that is their work. Okay, so I bless all of you that you get the chance, you get that life, that you, whatever you want to do it. Okay, I understand, but I had no control on all of the situations, but I can only wish and send you blessings. Then again, you have the bottom energy as 6 of Cups energy. I see here high desire to connect with you. Someone does want to connect with you, or you wanna. This is again resurgence for some of you looking for this ring. This is a commitment. This is love coming. Okay, some of you are getting healed from your past situations, and you're just dropping that ring kind of energy, letting go, releasing something connected with X or some situation. But it is also 6 of Cups, like you never thought of like this boat. You know, this something is going to come, but it is coming. For some, this is resurgence. Okay, now the reason is that refocusing something on the person that you were supposed to, or someone was supposed to do. Okay, so no more confusion. This is someone who might be able to contact you if you allow, because they want to, because they're checking, because this is their desire. This may be your own desire as well, and this may be the common desire as well, because looking at it, you are also looking at one thing. Okay, you know that this is what I want. It is like no more getting distracted with anything. So some of you might be finding love again with the one, if it was okay, finding love again with the one you loved once, or they loved you. There's definitely love in the picture, very, very much. Can you give us the energy? I think they have a lot to say. The Magician. Someone is having a lot to say, and both of you are aware that whatever we need is here. Kind of. We just need to talk. We just need not to manipulate one another, rather convince. 12 recording time. I think high manifestation time is here. Desires are coming true, and there's going to be certain kind of magical approach, magic in your life. Many things happen and we don't know the source or the reason, but people come suddenly and they bounce suddenly, and there was no even point of having this conversation. You're going to have certain conversation, like that kind of energy that makes no sense. Why it is happening, unexpected events, those are going to happen in this time frame. Okay, and you are suddenly going to receive that kind of magic, that I've been attracting something and I always wanted. I feel like Gemini is going to have fruitful season here, regardless of hard times and confusions here. Refocusing energy, refocused love, or a resurgence kind of, or new love in the picture. You're going to definitely enjoy this time, because the Hierophant, there's a sincere conversation, sincere relationship coming, work coming here. This may be Taurus, but I see like the one who's going to open the eyes and suddenly going to realize that things are changing, and this is going to happen for you. Okay, you may hear from someone also. There may be a call back, as in judgment. Okay, and I also hear like there's no need of like having that any kind of argument. I feel like when this is going to happen, it's going to clarify you a lot of stuff. This person, like, it's like they know you people are chosen one for one another, if that makes sense, because there's magic. Okay, and the one who is seriously thinking about when it's gonna happen, the law of attraction is manifesting, love is manifesting in your life. Even resurgence things are happening, desires coming true. Okay, the Hierophant is about take things sincerely. Okay, don't be so serious, but sincerely, in order to manifest a lot of stuff that is coming in the picture. Some of you are going to commit here very, very on a sincere note. Okay, I love you guys, take care, see you soon.